What all contractors need to know is you have to show up to the job and have the right parts. You want to have parts that are universal so that you can be prepared for anything. Our 4-inch catch basin has a groove right here. That's so you can take a 6-inch hole saw and make it a 6-inch catch basin. That's why it's triple patented. There's so many features about it and so many unique features. This happens to be the hole saw that we love. Right now you can buy this on Amazon. You want to buy it in 6-inch. You could run a grate for an inlet basin, or you could run a solid cover if you're not using it for an inlet basin. Now the black, you stand a huge advantage in the north if you use the black. It could be 0 degrees outside, but if it's blue sky and direct sunlight, the sun's radiant energy will heat up a black object and help thaw it out. So all these parts that I'm showing you are available in black as well as green. So we have a turf restrictor plate. You keep the solid cover or you keep the grate depending on if you're going to do a vent or if you're going to do an inlet basin. We got risers. These risers stack. They give you 2-inch lifts each. They take you to grade. Our basin, super simple. Literally, you just put these risers on and it gets you to grade. We're going to show you an infield 4-inch catch basin to 6-inch, how quick and easy it is. My whole career, universal meant it fit nothing. Not in this case. All these parts have been developed by yard drain contractors. The fit couldn't be any better. You can take the same inline catch basin for collecting sediment in a roof runoff system and go ahead and transform it into a yard drain inline catch basin. We're taking a French drain system and we're putting in a yard drain inside the French drain. We're running a solid pipe next to our perforated pipe. We're using the same inline catch basins that we use for our roof runoff systems, and we're going ahead and just do a slight modification. We're going to put our 6-inch grate on this inline catch basin to take in all the bulk water, all that surface water, and then our French drain will take in all the subsurface water. We're going to have best of both worlds by putting a yard drain system in with a French drain system. We have all the parts on the truck. We don't have to keep a ridiculous amount of inventory. We have guides on the bottom of the catch basin, so it's super easy to line up the drill bit. We keep one basin in inventory, and that's it. That's all we need. We have the 4-inch parts and the 6-inch parts. Doesn't take up very much room. There's never been a product like this on the market. Give us a thumbs up for making all our products in the USA. Top quality yard drain products made right here in the United States of America. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel.